My name is Christy Crabtree. I'm a licensed professional counselor at Innerlight Counseling. And at Innerlight Counseling, we take a more holistic approach to healing. 2/3 of Americans today are medicated with psychotropic medication, and very few of them are happy with the results that they're getting, either due to side effects or mood instability and even feeling numb sometimes. And the Journal of American Medicine has an exciting study out researching meditation and hypnosis and working with those modalities to treat depression and anxiety and even pain in a way that can be more effective and also without those side effects. And so at Innerlight Counseling, we use hypnosis to deal with some of those issues. And what hypnosis does is it allows us to get in touch with the deeper aspects of ourselves, our unconscious patterns of behavior that contribute to the way that we act and think in the real world. So there's a lot of myths about what hypnosis is and what hypnosis isn't. And so oftentimes people are a little resistant or hesitant at first because of those myths. So I think stage hypnosis has kind of given it a bad name, and oftentimes it's associated with mind control or doing silly things that we wouldn't normally do. But during hypnosis, you are actually in control of the entire experience, and you couldn't be convinced to do anything that you wouldn't normally do. Therapeutically used, hypnosis is actually different than something that you would see on stage. What happens is it's a very permissive process, meaning that you're in control of the situation. And the induction techniques used are things like guided imagery to create a relaxed state. And once you're in that relaxed state, the mind is much more receptive to deep levels of change on the unconscious level. And once those deep levels of change on the unconscious level start to happen, they extrapolate out into our conscious everyday lives. So we use hypnosis to address things like fears and phobias, depression, anxiety, even to manage pain. Hypnosis is about turning off our mind. So often we get caught up in our day-to-day thoughts and we react based on those thoughts, but our thoughts tend to lie to us, telling us that we're not good enough, that we should be doing things other than what we're doing, and we tend to live by other people's expectations, creating dissonance within ourselves. So what hypnosis does is helps us to align with our true nature and what our heart says to us. And that's really where truth comes from and helps us to make better decisions, because anxiety and depression are created when we're not true to who we are. And so hypnosis allows our mind to be pacified or relaxed so that we can really hear our heart speak to us.